Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Myself, Afroza Banu, posted at BMS Langate, going to deliver a lesson for class 8th, subject civics. The name of the chapter is Judiciary, chapter number 5th. Dear students, today my topic is इंडिपेंडेंस ऑफ जुडिशरी। जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों हमने कल पढ़ा था जुडिशरी क्या होती है, इसके फंक्शंस क्या हैं और इसका रोल क्या है। आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं इंडिपेंडेंस ऑफ जुडिशरी। जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों इंडिपेंडेंस ऑफ जुडिशरी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन एवरी डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री। जैसा कि जुडिशरी जो है, जुडिशरी इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑर्गन ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट। इट इज मेन फंक्शन इज टू अप्लाई द existing laws to the individual cases and to administer justice. Protection of the fundamental rights means हमारी जो basic principles हैं, बुनियादी हुकूक हैं जो हमें इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने दिए हैं। Fundamental rights of the people is not possible without the courts of law, but the judiciary in a democratic and civilized state must be independent. जैसा कि इंडिपेंडेंस ऑफ जुडिशरी जो है, इंडिपेंडेंस ऑफ जुडिशरी मीन्स दैट इट शुड बी इफिशिएंट, honest and impartial in giving its judgment. It should be free from any outside control of the executive or the legislature. The judge should be free to decide cases according to the law in a bold and fearless manner. Individual rights can be safeguarded with judges are neither under the control of legislature nor under the control of the executive. जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों, the life and liberty of each individual will not be safe where judiciary is subordinated to the executive. In the absence of independent judiciary, individual liberty is in danger. Moreover, the only way to fight against executive high-handedness and interference is through an independent judiciary. जैसा कि इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जो है, आइन हिंद जो है, has provided independence of judiciary. The courts are not under the government and not act on their behalf. उसके बाद प्यारे बच्चों नेक्स्ट पॉइंट जो हमारा वो है इंडिपेंडेंट जुडिशरी is compulsory for a democratic country. जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों इंडिया जो है ये एक डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री है। इंडिपेंडेंस ऑफ जुडिशरी इज एसेंशियल इन एवरी सिविलाइज्ड स्टेट. इज ओनली देन justice can be given and individuals' rights can be safeguarded from their violation by government officers. जैसा कि without an independent judiciary, efficient and impartial justice is impossible. In case the judges are partial and timed, जैसा कि timed peace and order situation in the state will come to the lowest ebb. The life and liberty of each individual will not be safe and impartial judiciary can provide rights and speedy justice. जैसा कि justice delayed means justice denied. In the absence of independent judiciary, individual liberty is in danger. Individual liberty is in danger. Judiciary is to act as the guardian of the law and rights of the people. It is protected rights from encroachment by private individuals or by the government, and this can be possible only if the judiciary enjoys independence. जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों the only way to fight against executive high-handedness and interference is through an independent judiciary. The judiciary must be free from the control of the legislature and the executive. In the absence of independent judiciary, the constitution would become a plaything in the hands of the contending parties. In countries with a rigid constitution such as USA है और इंडिया, USA or India, the judiciary plays the role of the guardian of the constitution. It declares illegal of any law passed by the legislature or any order issued by executive. If it goes against some provisions of the constitution, it keeps the executive and the legislature within their proper limits. According to the USA president, जैसा कि यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स जो है वहाँ का जो प्रेसिडेंट था उसका नाम था टैफ्ट, जो था उसके बाद वो लेटर चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स सुप्रीम कोर्ट जो था, जिसका नाम था टेफ्ट, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ यूएसए टेफ्ट। उसके बाद वो था चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स सुप्रीम कोर्ट। द जुडिशरी शुड रिमेन इम्पोर्टेंट इन ऑल मैटर्स वेदर it is between the minority community and the majority community or between the strong and the weak। उसके बाद प्यारे बच्चों, जैसा कि आप इमेजिन a situation in which a powerful politician has encroached on land belonging to your family. Within this judicial system, the politician has the power to appoint and dismiss a judge from his office. When you take this case to the court, the judge is clearly partial to the politician. The control that the politician holds over the judge does not allow for the judge to take an independent decision. This lack of independence would force the judge to make all judgments in favor of the politician. Although we often hear of rich and powerful people in India trying to influence the judicial process, the Indian Constitution protects. India का जो Constitution है वो protect करता against this kind of situation by providing for the independence of the judiciary। जैसा कि प्यारे बच्चों, other branches of government जैसा कि हैं the legislature and the executive cannot interfere in the work of the judiciary. The courts are not under the government and not act on their behalf. For जैसा कि for the separation to work well, it is also crucial that all judges in the high courts as well as the Supreme Court are appointed with very little interference from these other branches of government. Once appointed to this office, it is also very difficult to remove a judge। जैसा कि in short हम बोलेंगे, it is the independence of judiciary that allows the courts to play a central role in ensuring that there is no misuse of power by the legislature and the executive. It also plays a crucial role in protecting the fundamental right, जो हमारे बुनियादी हुकूक हैं, हमारे इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने हर एक सिटीजन को दिए हैं as a citizen of India, fundamental rights of citizens, because anyone can approach the courts if they believe that their rights have been violated। उसके बाद प्यारे बच्चों, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक जो इसका हमारा है वो हम कल डिस्कस करेंगे। अल्लाह हाफिज।